Hello everyone and welcome to keySkillset. Today I'm going to walk you through our newest course on Python Essentials. So let's get right into it. First we have the Skillset IQ, which is your first assessment on this course. Let's click on Take IQ Assessment to begin. Now we click on Start. For the first task, we just follow this instruction right here and try to write the correct code here. Then we can return to our main course where we have the course content. The first module is Python Introduction. The first submodule is Python Intro, so we can click on Start to begin the introduction. For the first task, we have the Python indentation. Now read these instructions carefully and try to follow the sample code here and write it here. So I'm going to show you how. Let's start by typing the code. Now we have to be really careful when typing it because we want to be as exact as possible. Now we have the print. Also be careful of the space. Now we have the quotation marks. 5 is greater than 2 exclamation point, and that should be it. Now we run main here. Before we do that, let's just make sure that the sample code and our written code match one more time, and let's run main. Okay, so the output is 5 is greater than 2. Now we can continue to the next task, and so on and so forth. As you move and follow the rest of the modules, you have the overall progress bar, which determines your efficiency score. And now we see the rest of the modules. And that should do it. Thank you so much for following through.